Very beautiful good morning to class 10 biology students. Previously we have completed the transport portion of our chapter 1. Now the last concept is remaining, the last life process is remaining, that is excretion. As we all know, after conducting all the steps of nutrition, there are some food particles which are not digested by our system. They remain in our system. If they start to accumulate in our system, then they may cause harm to our body. That's why it is very essential to remove these harmful substances, these waste substances from our system. So the removal of waste is called excretion. वेस्ट पार्टिकल्स को अपनी बॉडी से रिमूव करने की प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं हम? एक्सक्रीशन. देयर आर सम सिनोनिम्स विच सीम्स लाइक सिमिलर to the excretion, like ejection. You can also use the word ejection. You can also use the word defecation. So there are some similar words like excretion, but both have different meaning, but different words have different meaning, but some minute differences are there. We will discuss after some time all these things. Now firstly I am going to start the excretion in plants. सबसे पहले मैं excretion किसमें शुरू कर रही हूँ? Plants में. As we know, plants do not have any particular organ to excrete the waste substances. Plant में कोई भी एक particular organ नहीं होता है अपने waste को excrete करने के लिए. They have different parts. It means body parts of the plant excrete different substances from its body. Basically, there are main three excretory products. First is the oxygen, second is the carbon dioxide, and third one is the water vapor. So these are the main waste products of the plant. It is produced as a waste product after the process of photosynthesis. It is produced after the process of respiration, and the same thing is there. It means these two things are the byproducts of respiration process, and oxygen is the byproduct of photosynthesis, and they are waste for the plant. So they excrete all these waste material with the help of three things. तीन चीज़ों से इनको body से remove करते हैं. First is from the root hairs which are present in root. Second is the stomata which are present in leaves as well as in herbaceous stem. And third one is the lenticels which are present in the wooden stems, hard stems. Okay. So these are the main three components, or we can say main three waste products which are produced by the plant, and they are removed by the different pores present in the plant body. इनके अलावा there are some products also, waste products also, which are produced by the plant. These products are removed from the plant by the three processes. तीन processes से remove होते हैं. First is the shedding of leaves. It means if the waste are present in the leaves, then leaves shed from the plant, and these waste products also shed from the plant. Second is the peeling of bark. Bark is the hard outer covering of stem. When the bark is removed, then inside the bark, whatever be the waste material is present, these are also excreted. And third is the shading, or we can also use the word felling of fruits. If the waste is present inside the fruits, then if the fruit detach from the plant body, so the waste product present inside the fruit also detaches from the plant body. It means basically the waste are stored in the different parts of the plant, like in leaves, like in bark, like in fruits. Or when these parts detach from the plant body, these waste material also detach from the body. So first we are taking the example of fruits. There is a fruit that is known as yam, and it is also called jamikand. Inside this fruit, some calcium oxalate particles are there, which seems like a मिश्री, जैसे मिश्री होती है उस तरीके से रखते हैं. These particles are called graphites. These are the waste particles for the plant, and they are stored in the fruit. So when these fruits start to fall from the tree, then these graphites which are present inside these fruits also detach from also excreted by the plant. So these are present inside the fruits. Now I am taking an example of bark. Inside the bark, some chemicals are present, some waste are present, which are also known as resin and gums. गम, जिसको कहते हैं हम गोंद, खाने वाला जो गोंद होता है उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जिससे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे लड्डू बनाए जाते हैं. इट इज़ अ एडिबल गम. दिस गम इज स्टोर्ड इनसाइड द bark, and when the bark is peeled, then the gum inside it is extracted and it can be used. The main thing is that those products which are waste for the plant, anyhow they are essential for us, they are economically important for us. Now I am taking the example of my city. मैं एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल लेती हूँ हमारी सिटी का, जो एक वेस्ट है प्लांट का, दैट इज हींग. ओके, फेलुला एसाफोइटिडा, एसाफोइटिडा कहते हैं हींग को. दिस इज द फेमस थिंग ऑफ हाथरस. हाथरस की ये फेमस चीज़ है. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द बार्क इन सेमी सॉलिड कंडीशन. ये भी बार्क के अंदर सेमी सॉलिड कंडीशन प्रेजेंट होती है. द बार्क इज पील्ड, बार्क को, छाल को उतार दिया जाता है. इट इज़ कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम इनसाइड द बार्क, बार्क के अंदर से इसको कलेक्ट किया जाता है. देन इट इज़ प्योरीफाइड एंड इट इज़ प्रिजर्व्ड एंड इट इज़ गिवन एज अ फ्लेवरिंग एजेंट, जो फूड को फ्लेवर देता है, एक स्पेशल खुशबू देता है, उसकी तरह इसको यूज़ किया जाता है. एज अ स्पाइस की तरह यूज़ करते हैं. सो दिस इज रेजिन. द हींग इज ऑल्सो द waste product of the plant. Now there are some waste products which are produced by the plant and they are excreted in the soil. ये कुछ प्रोडक्ट ऐसे भी होते हैं प्लांट के जो अपने रूट से वो एक्सक्रीट करता है एंड दे आर डिपॉजिटेड इन द सॉइल एंड फ्रॉम द सॉइल दीज आर रिमूव्ड. इट मीन्स देयर आर 4 or 5 ways by which plant excrete their waste material. 4 or 5 ways हैं जिससे प्लांट अपने वेस्ट मटेरियल को निकालता है. पहला तरीका मैंने अभी आपको बताया. इफ दीज आर गैसेज और द वाटर वेपर, देन दीज आर रिमूव्ड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ रूट एयर्स, टोमेटा एंड लेंटिसेस. If they are present in leaf, bark and fruits, then leaf shed themselves, bark peel themselves and the fruit fell down from the tree and the waste material present inside them also releases, also excreted out from the body. So Jamigand is the example of waste product which is present inside the fruit. Gum and resin, these are present inside the bark. And there are so many examples, so many type of dyes, so many type of colors which are produced from the leaves and from the petals of the flower, which are waste for the plant, but they are utilized by us for our purposes. It means the moral of the story is that there are so many waste products of the plant which are waste for the plant, but actually economically important to us. So now we have completed the excretion in plants. Next time I am going to discuss the excretion in animals, which is somehow, और हम कह सकते हैं, more complex than plants, because we have a particular type of system, group of organs which combine together to make a system, excretory system, which help to remove the different waste which are produced from in our body. So next time we are going to discuss excretion in animals. Till then, goodbye, have a beautiful day.